In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a webmail account in Hostinger. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We need to enter the hosting account where the domain name is added. In my case, I have only one hosting account and my domain, vibeskill.io, has been added to it. Here, we need to click the Manage button and enter the hosting account. On this page, we need to enter the free email section. Next, on this page, you need to select the free option. Every domain has the option to set up 2 webmail accounts. To continue, click this button to set up the webmail account. Here, we need to enter the username for the webmail account in the first field, and here, enter the password for the webmail account in the second field. And that's it. And finally, when we click the Create button, the webmail account will be created in Hostinger. You can see the webmail account inquiry at vibeskill.io has been created successfully. With this, we've come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful.